Box contains 300 discs of different colors. There are 100 pink discs, 100 blue discs, and 100 orange discs. The discs of each color are numbered from 0 to 99. Five discs are selected at random, one at a time, with replacement. Find the probability no orange discs are selected. Okay, so there are 100 orange discs, hence 200 non-orange discs. So the probability that the first disc selected is not orange would be 200 over 300, and then this is repeated 5 times since the probability is, or the case is with replacement. So the disk is placed back, so probability of that happening again will be 200 over 300 again and again and again, and this will happen 5 times. So 200 over 300 power 5. So that is the probability of selecting no orange disk all 5 times. Okay. Part 2. Just in case this was a question with replacement, then the numerator and denominator would keep decreasing every time in all 5 fractions. Okay. Part 2. Part 2 is find the probability that exactly 2 disks with numbers ending in a 6 are selected. Okay, so now how many disks would be ending with the 6? If we only talking about these 100 ping disks, we'll have a 6 and then a 16, 26, all the way till 96. These would be 10 disks. So we have 10 pink disks ending with a 6, 10 blue discs ending with a 6, and 10 orange discs ending with a 6. So in total, there are 30 discs ending with a 6. So probability that the first disc selected ends with a 6 would be 30 over 300. And again, since this is with replacement, the second one would be 30 over 300 as well. So two of the discs should exactly two discs should have a number ending with a 6. That means the other three will not end with a 6, and that would be the probability of that would be 300 minus 30 would be 270. So there are 270 such disks that do not end with a 6. So we multiply this fraction 3 times. Okay, now we're not done yet because look, two of the discs end with a 6 and the other ones do not end with a 6. This is just like one of the disc is, for example, take the case that there is a black ball, a black ball, a red ball, a red ball, a red ball. This is such a case that you have a number not ending with 6, and then, sorry, you have two numbers ending with 6, and then three numbers or three discs not ending with a 6. So this is just like the case of there are two balls that are black colored and three balls that are not black colored. For example, all three of them are red colors. Then there are more ways of arranging it. You could also write black, red, 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 and another red. Or you could write black and then all the reds in between and the black here. How many ways can you write this? That would be found using combinations, and we have not studied that yet. That is the topic of the next chapter. So for now, you need to know that this has 5C2 combinations that we learn in the next chapter. So we also have to multiply this fraction with 5C2, which I believe is 10. So times 5C2 is must, and this gives us 30 over 300 whole square, 270 over 300 whole cube into 5C2. That would be 0.0729. This becomes 0.0729. Part 3, probability that exactly two orange discs with number ending in a 6 uh, are selected. Okay, so now how many orange discs have number ending with the 6? There are 10 such discs. So we write 10 over 300, and there are two of those. So instead of multiplying this twice, I'm going to write a square on it. And then the rest of the discs are all the other discs except for the orange disc ending with the 2. So those would be 290 remaining discs. So 290 over 300. And again, we have three such discs selected. So power 3. And again, this is the case where two cases are alike and the other three cases are alike, just like selecting black, black, and maybe red, red, red. These have 5C2 combinations. So 5C2 gets multiplied with it, which is 10. And this gives us it gives us 0.0100. Let me quickly check it again. Yeah, it gives 0.01. Okay. Part 4 is again from another topic that we have not studied yet. It's from binomial distribution. So I am just recording it for those who might have done binomial already. Otherwise, you can just ignore it. So this is mean. Mean is equals to NP, and N in this case, the mean and variance of the number of pink discs selected. There are 5 discs selected, so N will be 5, and P is the number of a pink, the probability of pink being selected, that's going to be 100 over 300, which is 1 over 3. So it's going to be N times P, so 5 into 1 over 3 is going to be the mean, 5 over 3. And the formula for variance is NP bracket 1 minus P. So 5 into 1 over 3 into 1 minus 1 over 3. Which gives 10 over 9.